Hi friends, today I am going to prepare veg manchuria in a very simple method. For this I had taken 1 bowl of grated carrot, 1.5 cup of grated cabbage, spring onion. You can use a normal red onion instead. These are the spring onion leaves. I had taken 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, some Szechuan sauce, soya sauce and vinegar. So we need to take the cabbage and carrot together in a white cotton cloth or a small kerchief, and we need to squeeze out the complete water from cabbage and carrot. Squeeze it as much as you can so that we'll get a very dry manchuria balls. Squeeze out the complete water, both the one. And now comes the secret ingredient. It's a boiled potato. It is a mandatory ingredient in manchuria. Take a single potato, boil properly, peel out the skin and mix it in this carrot and cabbage mixture. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and the next ingredient is maida, all purpose flour. This is also we need to take 2 tablespoons. Mix it very well. Now we need to take 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust it accordingly. Now mix it thoroughly and make it into a small dough, like some atta dough. Mix it. Add some water if you want. If you think the dough is little dry, you can add little drops of water, or else it's not required. Dough is done. You need to take a small pinch of dough and make it into small balls in this way. Small balls and keep it aside. In the same way, make all the balls from the dough. In this way I had prepared all the balls. Now we need to take oil into the kadai and deep fry all these manchuria balls. Now I had taken a kadai, took some oil into it for a deep frying. So let the oil get heated so that we can fry out the manchuria balls. Now the oil got heated. Let's put the manchuria balls into the oil. Put it into the medium flame and let them fry for some time till they turn into golden brown color. The manchuria balls are getting boiled. Let them get fried till they turn the golden brown, all the manchuria balls. All the Manchurian balls are deep fried. You can transfer it into another plate by placing a tissue paper. Now in a large pan, take some oil. In this oil we need to place all the ingredients like garlic and all for frying the Manchurian balls again, to coat it with all the ingredients. So after the oil gets heated, add some garlic, spring onions leaves, put it on a low flame. Add some pepper powder. Once the ingredients have been cooked, add 2 to 3 green chilies. You can add it according to your taste. If you need some spicy, you can add more. I have added 2 chilies. To this, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to add some flavor. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce for a good flavor. If this is not available, you can add tomato ketchup or red chili sauce. Do not add chili powder or something else. It will completely spoil the thing. Now put it on a high flame, stir it well and fry all the ingredients properly. High flame is more important in any Chinese food. Toast it properly. To all the ingredients, add about half glass of water. Put it on a high flame only. Now again stir it well. Let it cook in the high flame till all the oil comes up from all the ingredients. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Wait till all the oil comes up so that you can add the Manchuria balls. The oil started coming up, so you can add all the Manchuria balls. Toast it properly only in the high flame so that almost 70% of the ingredients are coated to the Manchuria balls. Then you can switch off the flame after the ingredients are reduced to 70%. Toast it well. Now all the ingredients are coated well to the Manchuria. Only you need to toast it in high flame. Once they are done, add coriander for garnishing. You can squeeze a half sliced lemon for a good tangy flavor. That's done.